Hey, Terrence. Oh, how's it going?
My kit's on the fritz again. He won't turn on, so I've been taking him apart to find the problem.
I'm having a similar issue. My TV stopped working and I don't know why.
Well, let's crack it open and take a look at it then. Well, here's the issue. Your main gear is broken. This TV's as good as scrap now.
Oh, that's just great.
Hey, no need to get upset. You came to the right place. I'll give you a deal, my friend.
Give me something cheap that works.
How about this one? I'll give it to you for a steal. Let's say $100. This one is really reliable and will last a long time.
Is that the cheapest one you got?
I'm afraid so.
That'll do then.
Thank you for your patronage.
Thanks for everything, Terrence.
No problem, Gary. Have a nice day.